Here we have some MP3 songs and they are opening using Winamp. Okay, till here is fine until I drag and drop another one, and notice I cannot drop it onto Winamp. So why I cannot drop MP3 songs onto Winamp? To fix that problem, let's close the player, go to the start menu and type in Winamp and right click on that Winamp, open file location. Now on this strange Winamp icon which doesn't have an icon, also right click and open file location and Winamp exe. Now right click on the exe file of Winamp, go to properties and at compatibility, this one is checked, run this program as an administrator. Uncheck that one, so it will not be administrator, close it with OK. Close that window also, and now if I start an MP3 it's okay, and if I drag and drop the next one it's working. If I drag it onto this window it clears the playlist, and if I drag it onto the playlist it adds it to the playlist. So drag and drop, it's working whenever Winamp is not started with administrator privileges.